Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to an exciting journey into the future of home automation and smart living. Ever wished you had a personal assistant to play your favorite tunes, answer your burning questions, and keep you updated with the latest news and weather? Or even control your smart home devices with just your voice? Imagine dimming the lights, adjusting the thermostat, or even locking the doors without lifting a finger. Well, say hello to Amazon Echo, your new best friend in the world of smart speakers. This little device is packed with powerful features that will transform your daily routine. Echo is like having a mini genie at your beck and call, ready to make your life easier and a whole lot more fun. From setting reminders to making hands-free calls, Echo does it all. Whether you're a tech whiz or a newbie just dipping your toes into the smart home pool, setting up your Echo is as easy as pie. Just plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and follow the simple instructions on the app. Get ready to experience the magic of voice control and discover a world of possibilities with your Amazon Echo. It's not just a gadget, it's a gateway to a smarter, more connected lifestyle. You know something's got to be good when it's everywhere you look, right? That's Amazon Echo for you. These sleek, voice-activated devices have taken the world by storm. Want proof? Hold on to your hats, folks, because Amazon smart speakers own a whopping impressive statistic here. Percent of the market share. That's like a whole lot of Echoes out there, making life easier and more entertaining for folks just like you and me. So congrats on joining the Echo family. You're in good company. All right, let's get this show on the road. Unbox your brand spanking new Echo device. Isn't it a beaut? Plug that bad boy into a power outlet using the adapter that came in the box. You'll see a light ring on your Echo light up. This is like its way of saying, hey, I'm waking up. Let's do this thing. The light ring might change colors. Don't worry, that's normal. It's just getting ready for its grand debut. Section 4, downloading the Alexa app, your Echo's best friend. Now grab your smartphone or tablet. Head over to your app store and search for the Amazon Alexa app. Download and install it on your device. This app is like the control center for your Echo, where all the magic happens. Once the app is installed, open it up and sign in using your Amazon account. If you don't have one, don't sweat it. You can create one right there in the app. Section 5, connecting to Wi-Fi and beyond. This is where the magic begins. Okay, time to introduce your Echo to your home Wi-Fi network. This step is crucial for unlocking all the amazing features your Echo has to offer. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to your Wi-Fi. This ensures a smooth setup process. Now open the Alexa app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Echo device to your Wi-Fi network. The app will guide you through each step. You'll need to select your Wi-Fi name from the list and enter your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any connection issues. Once your Echo is successfully connected to the Wi-Fi, you're ready to rock and roll. The green light indicates a successful connection. You can start chatting with Alexa, asking her questions, playing music, and exploring all the cool things she can do. From setting reminders to controlling smart home devices, the possibilities are endless. Section 6, troubleshooting tips. Echo on me. Having a little trouble with your Echo? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Sometimes even the most advanced technology can have a hiccup or two. But fear not, because we're here to help you get things back on track quickly and easily. Here are a few quick fixes to get you back on track. These simple steps can often resolve most common issues you might encounter with your Echo device. First, make sure your Echo is plugged in properly and the light ring is on. This indicates that the device is receiving power and is ready to respond to your commands. Next, check your internet connection and make sure your Wi-Fi is working. A stable internet connection is crucial for your Echo to function correctly. You can do this by checking your router or using your smartphone to see if other devices are connected to the internet. If Alexa isn't responding, try saying Alexa a little louder and clearer. Sometimes background noise or speaking too softly can prevent Alexa from hearing you properly. If all else fails, a good old-fashioned restart usually does the trick. This can help reset the device and clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. Just unplug your Echo, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. This simple action can often resolve many common problems and get your Echo working smoothly again. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting tips, you should be able to resolve most issues and get back to enjoying your Echo device. You're now officially part of the Amazon Echo family. Welcome aboard. Your Echo device is designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Get ready to experience the future of voice control and discover a whole new world of possibilities with your amazing new smart speaker. From controlling your smart home devices to getting the latest news and weather updates, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy your journey with Alexa.